Imagine you're standing alone in a city with 1 billion houses. Every house has lights. Every house has electricity. Every house has people living inside. But there's one problem. No one answers the door. No one picks up the phone. No one sends a text. Just silence. That's exactly what scientists see when they look at the universe. There are hundreds of billions of stars in our galaxy alone, and hundreds of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. So, in 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi was having lunch with colleagues when he suddenly asked a simple question: where is everybody? That question became known as the Fermi Paradox. The paradox is simple. The universe is unimaginably old. The universe is unimaginably large. And life seems to arise naturally. If intelligent civilizations are common, then some of them should be millions of years older than us. Even at slow speeds, such civilizations could spread across entire galaxies. Yet when we listen, we hear nothing. No messages. No spacecraft. No signs. Only silence. Let's put this into perspective. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains roughly 100 to 400 billion stars. Many of those stars have planets. Scientists now believe planets are actually more common than stars. There may be billions of Earth-like worlds in our galaxy alone. Not the universe, just our galaxy. Now imagine a civilization that develops technology only 1 million years before us. 1 million years sounds huge, but in cosmic terms, it's nothing. The galaxy is over 13 billion years old. A civilization with 1 million-year head start could potentially spread across the galaxy many times over. And yet, no evidence, no visitors, no signals, nothing. Maybe the answer is surprisingly simple. Perhaps intelligent life is extremely rare. Maybe humanity is among the first civilizations to appear. Think about it. Dinosaurs ruled Earth for over 160 million years. Humans have had radio technology for just over a century. Maybe intelligence is not the natural outcome of evolution. Maybe it's a cosmic accident. If that's true, we could be among the universe's pioneers, the first generation of civilizations. Not late to the party, early. This is where things get dark, very dark. Scientists call it the Great Filter. Imagine evolution as a series of impossible obstacles. Life begins. Cells form. Complex organisms evolve. Intelligence appears. Technology develops. Space travel begins. At any point, something could wipe a civilization out. Maybe most planets never develop life. Maybe life rarely becomes intelligent. Or perhaps civilizations destroy themselves. Nuclear war, artificial intelligence, climate collapse, unknown technologies. The terrifying question is this: is the Great Filter behind us, or ahead of us? If it's ahead of us, then every silent star in the sky may be a graveyard. Imagine you're camping in a dark forest. Suddenly you hear movement. Something is out there. Would you shout to reveal your location? Probably not. Some scientists propose the dark forest theory. Every civilization stays quiet because they don't know who else is listening. In a universe where resources are limited and intentions are unknown, silence may be survival. Perhaps everyone is listening, and nobody wants to speak first. Think about this. If a medieval knight saw a smartphone, would he recognize it as technology? Probably not. An advanced alien civilization might use communication methods beyond our understanding. We search for radio signals. But maybe that's like searching the ocean for messages in bottles, while everyone else is using satellites. Perhaps alien civilizations are everywhere. We simply lack the tools to recognize them. This theory sounds like science fiction, but scientists have seriously discussed it. What if advanced civilizations already know we're here? What if Earth is being observed? Like animals in a wildlife reserve, researchers don't walk into a gorilla habitat and announce themselves. They watch from a distance. Maybe humanity is part of a cosmic zoo. Observed, studied, but deliberately left alone until we're ready. Here's perhaps the strangest possibility of all. Maybe civilizations don't last long. Maybe intelligence naturally creates technologies powerful enough to destroy itself. Maybe every civilization reaches a point where its own inventions become too dangerous. If that's true, the silence isn't mysterious. It's inevitable. We aren't hearing anyone because nobody survives long enough to be heard.